How to fix Instagram posts not showing on profile. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Instagram problem where your posts are not showing up on your profile. A lot of people open their Instagram, go to their profile, and instead of seeing their posts, they only see a message like, "Create your first post," even if they already have posts uploaded. If that's happening to you, follow along step by step to fix it. All right, let's get started. First, long press on the Instagram app icon on your phone, then tap App Info. From there, tap on Force Stop to completely close the app. Next, go to Storage and clear the data. From here, tap Clear Cache, then Confirm. After that, tap Clear All Data and confirm again. Don't worry, this won't delete your account. It just resets the app's saved files on your phone and removes anything that might be causing conflicts. If you're on iPhone, the easiest way is to delete the app and reinstall it fresh from the App Store. Next, open the Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. Search for Instagram and check if there's an update available. If yes, update the app. Once the update is installed, log back into your Instagram account. In most cases, this will fix the issue and your posts should appear again. But if your posts are still missing, here's what you need to do. Open Instagram, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, then scroll down and go to Help. Then select Report a Problem. From the pop-up menu, select Report Problem without shaking. Next, tap Include and Continue. Now, describe the issue. Attach a screenshot showing the error and send it. The more people report this, the faster Instagram will push out a fix. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily fix the posts not showing problem on Instagram. Sometimes it may take a little time, but the issue usually gets resolved. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future updates.